Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Dialpad license and that you have Teams admin access. This avoids permission errors later. Once confirmed, open Teams, go to Apps and install the Dialpad app. Grant permissions when prompted so Dialpad can integrate. After installation, sign in with your corporate email using SSO. This links identities and preserves call history. Doing these steps now ensures authentication and permissions are sorted, so the integration flow is smooth and predictable. Now configure the integration. Open Dialpad's admin console and enable Microsoft Teams integration, then assign users who need calling features. Make sure call routing, voicemail behavior, and present sync settings match your company policies. This controls where inbound calls land and how Teams presence appears. Once configured, test with a single user to verify inbound/outbound calling, transfers, and present sync. If that test passes, scale up to a small pilot group to catch edge cases before full deployment. Finish by training users on how Dialpad works inside Teams, how to place calls, transfer, and when Teams handles chat versus Dialpad handling PSTN calls. Then monitor call logs and present sync in both Dialpad and the Teams admin centers to confirm everything behaves as expected. If you encounter problems, first recheck app permissions and reauthorize SSO in Azure Active Directory. Resaving the app registration often clears token or permission mismatches and resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.